Yes, callers. How are you all? I hope you all are good. And children, tell me, what are you doing during this lockdown days? You all are studying, playing, having fun? Very good. So today I am back with another interesting activity. Today I am going to teach you how to make a clay dough. You all love to play with clay dough, right? Even I love to play with clay dough. But you know, the clay dough which we get in market is not good for us. It is made up of so much of chemicals. Today, ma'am is going to tell you how we can make a clay dough at a home. So, are you all ready? Yes? Okay, let's start the activity. For this activity, we need an empty bowl, white flour, which we call maida also, and I'm going to pour this flour in the bowl. Okay, 3 to 4 tablespoons salt. I'm going to mix the salt in the maida, and I have taken this vegetable oil, 2 to 3 spoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to mix it, and I'm taking some elaichi powder for acids. Okay, so I'm putting some elaichi powder also. Children, if you want to make a colorful play dough, what you can do is you can add some food color in the dough right now. I'm having 4 different food colors with me: orange color, green color, yellow color and red color. But I'm not going to add this food color into this mixture right now. I will first make white clay dough and later on I will add these food colors in the dough. So what I am supposed to do now, I am going to make a dough of this flour with the help of water. So children, our dough is ready. See, I have made a dough. Now what I am going to do next, I am going to keep this bowl aside and I am going to roll this dough like this. Now I am going to break it in 4 pieces. Just roll it. Now, for giving it a color, what we are going to do, just spread this dough and add some food color in it. Now put a drop of water in it. And now again start rolling the dough. See children, our clay has got a good orange color. Similarly, we are going to do with the other dough and with other colors. So children, you can see our clay dough in 4 different colors are ready, and now you can make anything of your choice with this clay dough. If you are having molds with you, you can make something out of the molds. Or what else you can make? You can make a caterpillar, a Christmas tree, anything of your choice you can make. Now I'm going to show you how to make a caterpillar with this multicolor balls. Now for caterpillar face, I'm going to take a yellow color Play-Doh. It is very soft, you know. See. I'm going to take some more. For the face, we are going to make a big circle. And now I'm going to keep it here. For this caterpillar eyes, I'm going to take 2 black color bindis. I'm going to make this caterpillar's eyes with the help of bindi. And with the help of the matchstick, I'm going to make its antennas. If you want, you can also color the matchstick. And now for lips, we are going to take red color clay. Just roll it and put it like this. See, our caterpillar's face is ready, and now we are going to make its body. So now we are going to make comparatively small circles. Now I'm going to take some orange color. This homemade Play-Doh is very child friendly. You know, it is not going to harm you in any way. And I'm going to fix it like this. Now I'm going to take red color ball. Just roll it and put it like this. Now again I'm going to take some yellow color clay, roll it and with a good shape like this. See children, our caterpillar is ready, and now we can make its legs like this. Similarly, make it X. Now our caterpillar is ready. See, have a look. How is it looking? Beautiful, na? Yes, you can make anything of your choice with these clays. These clay are very kids friendly. They are not going to harm you in any way, and you know, we have made this in such a short time, so it is not that time consuming also, and you will love playing with this clay dough. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed today's session. See you soon. Bye bye.